Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'll tell you 3 iPhone hidden tricks you didn't know. Think you know everything about your iPhone? Wait till you see these 3 hidden iOS tricks that Apple never told you about. These will save you time and blow your mind. So in this video, I'll tell you these 3 hidden tricks. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first feature is remove object from screenshot. Trick number 1, remove object from screenshot. First, open your Photos app and then choose a photo. Next, tap on hold the subject and go to home screen using your other finger. And then put on the Photos app over the app. And your screenshot object is removed. And you are done. And the next feature is back tap for quick actions. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and choose Accessibility. Scroll down and choose Touch option. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose Back tap. Next, tap on Double tap. Scroll down. Here, I will choose Notification Center. Then go to Home screen and double back tap your iPhone. Now the next feature is drag and drop text across apps. You can drop text across apps fast. For this, open Safari browser on your iPhone and then tap and hold the text. Press and hold on a word or sentence until it's selected. Now drag the text while still holding with one finger. Use another finger to swipe up. And open another app like Notes, Messages or Mail. Drop the text where you want to paste it and you are done. I hope this video helped you to find 3 hidden tricks on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.